What is up, guys? Welcome to the crypto market inspection 26th of January 2025. It's currently Sunday, so nothing has really happened since yesterday's video. But yeah, this is just some trade I'm planning ahead, scaled into, etc. But I want to go over BTC at the start here. Just this video will be pretty quickly, briefly going through stuff today. But overall, range high, range low, mid level. Alright. Daily stocks at the highs. Potentially, we can make a new high, take out the Monday high, which is what I'm hoping for will happen at first. And then potentially, people think we're going to go down again, but then actually we go down a bit and then continue higher instead of taking these lows here. But just some quickly thoughts I have. But from a range-wise perspective, how do you want to trade this? Well, it's super simple, right? When you're trading a range, you have, of course, the range low, range high, and the mid level. The mid level is respected pretty nicely, as you see here, 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 here. Deviation, consolidation, broke to the upside, took out this high. Right, you could say this is a market structure break to the upside, right? So maybe this was the higher low, and then we continue higher, or this is just right. We're this is our Monday range, and we're still in it. So maybe we can do this, which is what I'm looking for, right? I'm looking for price to sweep the Monday low because you have the Monday low, right? Reclaim back above, send it to the Monday high, okay? You have a H1 order block as I tagged here. H1 order block below the dotted mid level. The dotted mid level is right next to the Monday low. If you take the fib from the high to the top here, the zero point 0.5 level is exactly on the dotted mid level. All right, basically exactly on it. So right, if price comes into this level, which we saw on the heat maps yesterday, sorry, I'm not going to show in this video, but there's liquidity below here. Okay, now if price is going to play Monday's range, right? From a range perspective, we want to trade the extremities of the range, and then we have the higher time frame mid level. We got the Monday low as our range low. Why not sweep this liquidity? Have it short lived. People aggressively shorting into this level, reclaim, trigger, go high, go for the Monday high, right? That's what I'm looking for. But let's say we are in this bullish pen that I've seen a lot of people post about. If I can draw here with the drawing thing, that's fine. In a bullish pen, I don't really like these patterns, but if we do trade them, right, you have this leg to the upside. You have the top, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then whatever, when it starts consolidating tightly, maybe we break out here and then we flip the all-time high and we fake the deviation. We do not go back inside the range. We actually continue to the upside, right? That's a potential idea I'm looking at too. Um, and I also have another thing I'm going to keep. Let's make it a little more clear where our ideas are. Sweep, reclaim, go higher. Now we also have a H2 pretty nice order block here, which is untested. So you have this H2 order block here, right? H2. Okay. Now if we do draw the bullish pennant like this, and let's take this, something like this, right? Yeah, like that. Okay. Now if this is our bullish pennant, we do have a low time frame liquidity level here. Sells some liquidity on a low time frame. Okay, let's go on the 1 hour. So what would I look for in the play here? Well, I would look for a sweep of this low, tag the H2 order block, reclaim it, hold this bullish pendant, and then we could potentially see a breakout to the upside to target the Monday high. This is the reason why I started scaling into some Ethereum longs, but I do have a play which matches very nicely with the Ethereum. No, matches Ethereum. No, Ethereum matches pretty well with another play on BTC, which is this one that we just discussed at the start of the video. Because I'm gonna try to find this chart. Yes, this chart here. So I drew this bullish pen here on Ethereum earlier, but it doesn't really it doesn't really make sense here. But yeah, from a very clean range perspective, right? Let's have it like this. You have your range low, range high, the mid level, and the quarterly mid range at the top. We're not going to pay attention to the quarterly mid level down here because price is not there. Uh, so yeah, what am I looking for? I'm looking for price to potentially give us a sweep of the Monday low in confluence with BTC. Sweep potentially it could go as low as filling half of this daily wick of the liquidation event, right? You could look at it from a perspective that, oh, do we have a inverse head and shoulder down here, right? Let's say our next shoulder for comes in here, and then we reclaim the Monday low. That would be a clear trigger, and put your stops below its low. Manual stops are below here for a little safer ride up. You can target the equal highs, range high at 4,093, if not, yeah, 4,100s, and then potentially, yeah, dollar cost average in for a bigger swing. But what would be the best here would be a sweep of the Monday low, and in confluence with the BTC sweeping let me its Monday low, right? You want to always time these up with each other, but yeah, something like this. It's short-lived down here. You don't want to see it spend like 2 3 days down here. This guy's going. You can take out this low. But yeah, that's quickly what I'm just looking for at the moment. Let's see how ETH BTC is doing. It's consolidating down here. Maybe we could see some sort of break above this high, potentially flip the structure. I do something like this, and then we go higher. Who knows? But yeah, scaling into Ethereum longs here down at the high time frame range low region. Like yeah, scaling in here, buying spot. Very smart idea. Catch you guys tomorrow.